Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically mask videos on CapCut PC. So select your video, and the first mask I'll be using is the horizontal one. I think it's good for blending out like a video with like a different sky. Here's me just feathering it out to blend it a little bit more better, like so. There are a lot of options that you can choose from. As you can see, it blended out pretty nicely here. I just feathered it out a little bit more. Then you can also use the other mask here, the mirror mask, which again you can use to blend out two videos. There is a circle one, there's a rectangle one. The circle one is good for like circle videos, of course. Here's me choosing like the earth one so that I can mask it into like a round shape without the background. You can also do that. There's a rectangle, a heart shape one, a star shape one that you can choose. You can even create like a frame. So after this, I will, also you can like rotate the mask. I forgot to tell you that. But you can basically use the circle one to create like a frame. So here's me creating a circle mask, and then after that you're just going to right click, create compound clip, and then you can mask it again and press reverse to create a frame. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!